Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I upgrade a drum.
Barb Makes Things!
I've made several drums for the Dodecahedrum at this point, and I finally landed on a method of drumhead attachment that I like. Fortunately, the old ones can be updated without needing to be completely rebuilt. This medium-sized drum was assembled with string tension, making it really difficult to tune. Two of the pieces of this can be converted without having to recut them on the CNC, so I unstrung it. The top piece was the only one that needed to be completely replaced, and it's smaller than the pentagonal one I'd done previously. So I took the center cutout from the old top piece to make the top piece of the smaller one.
Now if I wind up making a tiny drum as well, I can use this piece to cut the top layer of that one.
The base and middle piece needed large holes for the bolts, so I used the newly cut top piece as a guide and drilled through. It worked well, but broke the string that held the drum head, so that had to be replaced. Look, I measured in advance this time. 4.5 inches again.
I did the research to try to find 4-inch quarter 20 threaded rods, which is hard enough. 4.5 inches? No, I will cut them.
I have 3 different drums done now, so I had a musician friend try them out. Ooh, I like this.
That's fun. These are awesome.
I'm undecided about whether I should start mounting all of these things onto the dodecahedron frame now or wait till I have all of the elements done, because I'm probably not going to want to move them around once they're on there. I won't be able to figure out the best arrangement till I know what I have. I probably also need like a Lazy Susan situation so you can spin the dodecahedron around and like play all the sides. Unless it's a multiple person instrument. If you like this project, if you like my channel, share it with a friend. If you didn't, then, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.